Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to edit your YouTube video like a pro, or you can say editing your YouTube videos like a pro, a step-by-step guide. Now, the first thing you need to do when you want to edit like a pro is to choose the right editing software. We have different editing software, but I'm going to give you the best. Now, the first one we have is the DaVinci Resolve. This is a very powerful and professional tool editing software with a free version offering robust features. Now, the next one we have is the Adobe Premiere Pro. This is industry standard software. It is known for its advanced tools and effects. The third editing software we have is the Final Cut Pro. This is Mac exclusive. It is user-friendly with a focus on intuitive editing. Then the next one we have is the iMovie, which is simple and free for Mac users and great for beginners. We also have the HitFilm Express, which is free with a paid pro version, offering a balance of features and ease of use. Once you've chosen the editing software you want, the next step is to plan your edits by storyboarding. That is, visualize the flow of your video, including scenes, shots, and transitions. Then do a rough cut. Assemble your footage in a basic order, focusing on pacing and overall structure. Next, you have to master the basics. Basics include cutting, trim and remove unwanted footage, ensuring smooth transitions. Then we have audio mixing. Adjust the volume levels and background music and incorporate sound effects. Then you can do what is called color correction and grading. This will help to enhance the visual appeal of your video by adjusting the colors and the contrast. Once you're through with mastering the basics, the next step is to add visual effects. Visual effects like transitions. You can use subtle cuts, dissolves, or wipes to smoothly move between scenes. Then you can use what we call text overlays. Text overlays, it can be used to add titles, lower thirds, and captions to provide context and information. Then motion graphics. Motion graphics helps to create engaging animations and visual effects to enhance your video. So once you're through with adding visual effects, the next thing is to optimize your video for YouTube by creating thumbnails. Thumbnail is always create a visually appealing thumbnail to grab attention. Then you put in the title and description. Write compelling titles and description that include relevant keywords. If you want to know how to write compelling titles, check out our video on how to write compelling titles for YouTube. Next, you have to add your end screen. Add an end screen with calls to action such as subscribing or watching other videos. Next, when you're through with all this, you have to export and upload. Now, under exporting, there are some settings you need to do. For example, you need to choose the appropriate resolution, the appropriate frame rate, and the file format for YouTube. Next, upload your video to YouTube and fill out all the necessary information. It is as simple as that. Let me give you some additional tips. 1. Practice regularly. You see, the more you edit, the better you'll become. Next, learn from others. Watch tutorials and analyze how professional YouTubers edit their videos. Then the next thing you can do is always try different techniques and styles to find what works best for you. You can also ask friends, family, and other creators for feedback on your edits. By following these steps and practicing consistently, you can elevate your YouTube editing skills and create videos that are both engaging and professional. Hope you found this video helpful.